Welcome to ProfitSee's Knowledge Base. In this video, you'll learn how to create and track custom KPIs and financial metrics. By monitoring custom KPIs that are unique to your clients' businesses, you can track performance in the areas that matter most. To do this, scroll down the left-hand navigation panel and select the KPI tab. Click on the KPI Generator to start a new one. First, give your new KPI a name and decide whether it will be displayed as a percentage, ratio, or dollar amount. Then you have the option of including a description of the KPI, further educating your clients on fiscal management. Click Continue to proceed. In the left box are the operands and type of account fields that can be entered into your formula. Choose account group when combining multiple line items in the chart of accounts, fixed value for a specific number, and statistical accounts when using non-monetary values. Since I want to determine revenue per client, I will drag over an account group symbol into the formula box. Now you have two options. One is entering a name to create a new account group, and the other is clicking the arrow to choose from previously created account groups. Select Apply to lock in this part of the formula. You can then view each line item of the account group by selecting the View icon on the left, and then clicking on the Edit icon on the right to make any changes. After that, I will drag over a division sign. And then I will add a fixed value to the formula, representing the number of clients. Hit Continue, and you'll be asked to confirm and save your new custom KPI. Lastly, in addition to establishing a lower and upper limit, as well as a target value, we recommend that you check the Notify box, so that you are alerted by an email message letting you know if there is any shift in the performance of your client's company. Being proactive is an integral part of the value a trusted business advisor provides to small and mid-sized business clients. If you have any questions at all, please visit support.myprofitsee.com or reach out to us at support@myprofitsee.com. Thanks for watching.